Outback Base. Let's do one. All right. First thing we will do is bring in a couple of controllers just to kill the technicals that attack. As soon as they fire, we retreat. And they're gone. Now we bring them back in. We're going to kill all the anti-air men. Right there is good. Use escorts just to lure them out. So controllers and the escorts will bring them out. Controllers will clear them out. It'll just make the base a little bit easier. They get too close, we go away. We come back in. They get too close. We go away. Just keep coming till we kill them all. It's just going to save us a lot of time later on. Get rid of them. You got them both? Nope. Got to get one. All right, he's gone. All right, now with the controllers. We're going to go over here and we're going to clean out this side. That's good enough right there. All right. All right, now we're going to take out this guy here. Shoot him, because we got to get rid of him. All right, we're done with them. Now we're going to go over here and clear out this side. They will continue to work for you. They'll clear out all kinds of good stuff for you. Just leave them there in case anything decides to come out. When you get these SS, they come back to life, so be careful. Be very careful, because they will come back to life on you. You don't want to get too close, he's going to come back to life, and he'll shoot you. See? Once you kill him a second time, he stays dead. We're just going to clean out this stuff, then we'll go to the other side. There's another one back here. He'll come out in a little bit. Yep, see, here he comes. You got to shoot them twice, or they'll come back to life. Well, he will come back to life. You have to kill him the second time when he does come back to life. All right, get rid of those guys. Now, we're going to bring in the chopper. We've got to get rid of one thing over here. We're going to get rid of the rail. The rail will kill my controllers, so let's get rid of it. Come on, what are you doing? Where are you going? Where in the world are you going? This guy is like not paying attention at all. Man, he's acting weird. I'm telling you, Kick is all messed up today. Kix does some weird things. Kill it. Kill the rail. It's good enough. Now we'll bring in controllers. Where you going? Where you going? Holy mackerel. Come on, get over there. Now, with those guys are going over there, we want to kill right here because we got to get rid of the rail. This will kill the rail, and you won't get much damage. So while he's doing that, we'll send these other controllers over here because we got some SS over here that come back to life. So we'll start killing him off. All right, he'll take care of him. While he's doing that, we got to get rid of these technicals. Okay, he's gone. He's going to come back to life, so watch out. See, there he goes. That's what they do. Now he's dead now. He won't come back. All right, now we got to take out Overwatch. Now, another SS. Wow, and he'll come back to life again. So we just take out the other stuff while we're waiting. Another one over here. Okay, we'll stop using him. They'll take it. As soon as he comes back to life, they'll kill him. See, there he comes back to life. Now he's done. Take out these guys. They'll come to you. Just don't go near him. He will kill your controllers in a split second. Now we're going to take out these three. Just be patient. Don't be in a hurry. All right. SS is starting to move, so we're going to kill him again. Okay. If he moves on you, get out. If he moves, get out, because he will kill you dead. All right. We got to send some controllers back in. Yeah, they about died. That's not the way to do it. Pay attention. If he moves, get out. That's happened to me one time, and it's when I'm making a video. That's all right. Once we get rid of him, we're about done. How much time we got? 4 minutes. That's the way it's supposed to happen. All right, he's gone. Now, we will send in the escorts. And the escorts are just going to, you just line them up so that he'll drive him down there and kill that for you. Take him out, take him out, take him out. All right, there you go. All right, that's it. That's all you need him for. Now we'll send the chopper back in to get rid of the SS. We'll send in a couple of controllers. What else do we have to kill? All right, just this guy here will kill your controllers, so be careful. That was it. And I'm probably going to get nothing. Yeah.